Hello, this is Alex Steele back with another ModShapes, and today I'm going to show you how I made this accent tray filled with the resin pieces from a previous project, lit up from the inside with really cool LED string lights. Now this didn't turn out exactly as I wanted, so what I did was I restarted and I taped the strings inside before I started positioning the pieces. Once that was done, I went ahead and positioned everything. And I'm really glad I did it this way. I think it's going to be a lot more secure, and the tape can be easily removed later if I change my mind.